Hello everyone, we're from Group 5 and we're gonna present our video about training employee. So here is our team, Maretha, Yola, Elpa, Denta, and Reka, Aldilana, Ramadhan. Happy watching guys! The first one is link program to organizational needs. With training so essential in modern organizational, it is important to provide training that is effective. And effective training programs actually teach what is designed. To achieve those goals, HR professionals approach training through instructional design, a process of systematically developing training to meet specified needs. To carry out this process more efficiently and effectively, a growing number of organizations are using a learning management system, LMS, a computer application that automates the administration, development, and delivery of a company's training programs. The second one is needs assessment. The outcome of the need assessment is a set of decisions about how to address the issues that prompted the needs assessment. These decisions do not necessarily include a training program because some issues should be resolved through methods other than training. These possibilities for action include offering existing training programs to more employees, by developing new training programs, and improving existing training programs. Before we consider the available training option, let's examine the elements of the needs assessment in more detail. So, the first one is organizational analysis, second one is person analysis, and the third one is task analysis. Next one is readiness for training. Readiness for training is a combination of employee characteristics and positive work environment that permit training. It exists when employees are able and eager to learn and when their organization encourages learning. So, the employee readiness characteristic is employees learn more from training program when they are highly motivated to learn, that is, when they really want to learn the content of the training programs. Employees tend to feel this way, they believe they are able to learn, see potential benefit from the training programs, are aware of their needs to learn, see a fit between the training and theirs. And then second one is work environment. Social support refers to the ways of organization people encourage training, including giving trainee praise and encouraging words, sharing information about participating in training programs, and expressing positive attitude towards the organization training programs. Planning the training programs. Training objectives have several characteristics. They include a statement of what the employee expected to do, the quality or level of performance that is acceptable, and the condition under which the employee is to apply what he or she learned, for instance, physical condition, mental stress, or equipment failure. The next one is they include performance standards that are measurable, and they identify the results needed to carry out the desired performance or the outcome. Successful training requires employee to learn but also employee to provide the necessary result.
So I will continue to training method. There are several methods in the training system. The first one is classroom instruction. Next is audiovisual technique and computer-based training, or often called e-learning. Next is on-the-job training methods such as apprenticeship and internship. Next, simulation represents a real-life situation. Next one is behavior modeling. And next is experiential and adventure learning, team training, and the last one is action learning. Okay, let's continue to implementing the training program. Effective training programs are crucial for employee development, but they need to design with how people learn in mind be true successful. First, the training content itself need to be clear and memorable. Secondly, the programs will be highly relevant to the employee's jobs. Another important element is active participation. Employees learn best by doing, so the programs will incorporate opportunity for trainers to practice what they are learning. And finally, feedback is essential for improvement. The training programs will provide constructive feedback and that highlights specific strengths and weaknesses in the trainees' understanding. Okay. Measuring the result of training. The relevant training outcomes are the ones related to the organization goals for the training and its overall performance. Possible outcomes include the following, like information, skill, trainer and supervisor satisfaction, change in attitude related to the content of the training, and improvement in individual, group, or company performance. Okay, let's continue to applying the evaluation. Evaluation is a process to help organization identify what's working and what's not. Application of training. Employee orientation and onboarding are key for preparing employees to perform well, understand the organization, and connect with colleagues. Orientation offers basic training, while onboarding goes deeper to integrate new hires fully. These include understanding policies, job roles, culture, and team dynamic. Orientation methods range from printed material to hand-on training. Diversity training is also important for developing skills in diverse teams, showing the need for long-term management support in promotion, diversity, and teamwork. Conclusion: training programs should match what the organization needs to be effective. This means teaching skills and behaviors that help the organization reach its goals. To do this, organization follow steps like assessing needs, ensuring readiness, planning, implementing, and evaluating training. They use methods like classroom instruction, on-job training, and simulation. Effective training is linked to job experience and supported by managers and peers. It should result in improved skill and behavior, benefit both employees and the organization. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.